guys, gals, everything in between. Got some strange sounding video from Guizhou, which is in southwest China. It's been going on for about 10 days. Very mysterious noises happening in this area. Thousands of people have been flocking to the area to find out exactly what the noise is. I'll play the video for you guys. You guys can hear it. Try to come up with your own ideas what it might be. But in the meantime, I'll play it on a loop for about 5 minutes and see what some of your suggestions might be as to what the heck this noise is. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button, but more importantly, make sure you hit that bell icon. You'll be notified each and every time I make a new release. For now, I'm going to play this video. You guys try to tell me what the heck it is, all right? And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and let's try to figure this out. Here we go.
Guizhou 这个天没事。要得。哎，走了走。
不得了，不得了，不得了的。
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 Guizhou 这个天没事。要得。哎，走 走了走。
不得了，不得了，不得了！